Welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first-time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Micherry evicted from Ultimate Love show. Go home with 350,000 naira. Ultimate Love reality television show couple Michael and Cherry, nicknamed Micherry, have been evicted from the love pad on Sunday during the live show checkout. By the checkout, the couple became the first to leave the love pad through nominations by love guests and voting by viewers. During the interview session, the couple won 350,000 naira by playing a simple game whereby the host, Dakore, asked them to choose one box from three. The boxes contained different gifts unknown to the evicted couples. Luckily, the evicted couple, Micherry, went for the box marked number 7, which contained 350,000 naira and other gifts. Speaking to the live audience, Cherry described her stay in the love pad as awesome, adding that she's glad she has achieved her ultimate goal of finding a man. On the other hand, Michael admitted that he first fell in love with love guest Bolanle. However, he said that due to certain differences like age, culture and personality, they had to separate peacefully. Michael added that since he found Cherry in the love pad, she has gone to become the best thing that happened to him. Fans have reacted to Micherry evicted on Ultimate Love Instagram page. A follower, Decency, said, "The best couple just left the house. Trust me. Dr. Cherry and Michael, you guys will make good homes together." Another wrote, "No one saw that coming at all. Hey, always expect the unexpected. I wish you guys the best." Meanwhile, 10 couples are remaining in the house. Bola, Double Chris, Jeritin, Ikrisa, Jkesh, Jelo, Obiebi, Roxy, Chivia, and Presh David. Please guys, share your thoughts in the comment section below.